Welcome. My name is Andrea Sampson, and I'm the CEO and founder of Talk Boutique and the Thought Leader Academy, earning a living as a thought leader. Now, I'm always talking about how thought leaders use their influence to create impact and build their income. But how are those things related? The reality is, we need to first build and clarify our core message, what we believe, and then use that message to help others in ways that provide value. It's through both of these activities that we're able to earn an income as a thought leader. For me, it all started when I was volunteering as a speaker's coach. I built my message about creating a diversity of thought leadership so that together we can co create a more sustainable and inclusive future by working with other experts and change makers, supporting them as they transformed into thought leaders. Volunteering was such an amazing way for me to start to understand the impact that I was actually making. Now, I wasn't making money in those days, but I was learning the craft of thought leadership and I was learning about my own thought leadership. I wouldn't have called myself a thought leader in those days. I was simply supporting incredible experts and change makers who were doing the work, but I was supporting them in a way that they needed. And that support actually became the thing that is now my core thought leadership. This work helped me to define and refine my message, to get it down to one sentence, and then to build my own personal brand that aligned with my values, but also with that core thought leadership message that I just described. And I also was able to get a lot of really beautiful and kind words that other people said about working with me that helped me to understand the impact I was having, but also to help others to see what working with me would be like. And I had built a community who often spread my message, share my posts, amplify my events, and even retell my message and my story. This has led to speaking engagements, to podcast opportunities, to projects, and of course, our clients who want to build their thought leadership. This is the work that every thought leader does in some way to build their influence, to create their impact, and ultimately to build their income. How about you? Are you ready to step into your thought leadership? Well, this is the work that we do at the Thought Leader Academy. We work on your core message. We help you define your personal brand, and we help you build a community who supports and amplifies your message. And so make sure that you are on our mailing list so that you can hear about our next workshop where we'll be working with thought leaders just like you or experts and change makers, because perhaps right now, like me, you weren't considering yourself a thought leader yet.